Come hang out with us.
Yes, come hang out with us.
Come hang out with us.
The most creepy voice ever.
It's the weekend. Is there anything better? Well, at least it was the weekend when I filmed this. It's not just my weekend, it's our weekend because we're hanging out, all the food and the fun and everything in between. You're coming with me. What I want you to realize in this short little weekend that we have together is that this is a short life that we have. I spent a lot of years wishing that I could just be better. I could just have more self-control so that I could ultimately like myself and love myself and feel like I was worthy of love and worthy of acceptance, because I felt like I needed to first see that in the mirror. And this weekend and this moment in this life, I want you to see that it's not sugar or carbs or fat or calories or anything that we're afraid of. I think what's really scary is letting this moment slip through our fingers because we're afraid that we'll never be good enough or pretty enough or worthy enough. For so long, I deprived myself and I didn't give myself the choice to say, yeah, I would like to have that coffee drink and walk by the ocean and enjoy every sip with the added sugar, but without the added guilt. I think we automatically say no because we think once we've said no long enough that it will all be worth it, because then we'll be worthy to look at ourselves and accept ourselves. But because of what? Because of what we look like? Because of what we see in the mirror? The way that I see it is that what we see can deceive us. We look and we try to find our worth through the eyes of a piece of glass rather than the eyes of God.
I don't know, I think I love you barely. You're such a
Oh, is it filming? Yeah, you know I got my orange juice.
Hot combination for the hot baby.
think I love you early.
I just don't want you to miss it. Not the dessert, but the freedom to not be defined by what standards the world has for you or what standards you even have for yourself. I want you to be free. I don't want life to be robbed from you. I don't want these moments to be stolen from you. This moment is a gift. And when we open our eyes to that, and when we look to see that what really matters is actually right in front of us, we won't let the years run past us while we're standing in front of a mirror.
Think I love you early. You're such a doll, babe.
We can go a different way. We can choose a different path. We can decide that I'm not going to live like this anymore for one more day or for even one more second. And I know what it's like to feel afraid of accepting yourself and daring to believe that what God says is true. But on the other side of that fear is the greatest freedom that you will ever know. Be afraid and jump all in anyway. Be scared and let go anyway. You know the fear will always be there trying to make you believe something that isn't true. And it's okay if you feel like you've tried to go a better way 1,000 times. But I want you to remember that tripping isn't failing. To error is human. So run in the right direction. You know what to do. You do. The dream life you're after isn't on the other side of a diet. It's right here in front of you. All you have to do is choose to see it. Don't let anyone ever tell you that you're not enough. Not somebody else, not yourself, because that's not the truth. But the real truth, that will set you free.
So happy.
You're so funny. I wish everyone could fully experience the funniness of Bo.
She said her favorite color yellow.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Oh, this is really sad. Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh my, dude, this was kind of scary.
Okay, we'll move on.
Okay, I don't know. That's really sad. My grandma would bring me to this exact Barnes & Noble and I would go and find all the American Girl books. I read every single one of them.
Right on, girl.
And it felt like a dream, but a dream.
I found it. This exact Barnes & Noble that I grew up going to, buying all my books. I was such a reader from like 10 years old, 8 years old even. Like, I loved books my whole life. And the fact that my book is in here. And even last night, everyone was tagging me on Instagram with their books. And it makes me so happy. I just can't believe it. You took that photo, babe. This smoothie, I'm gonna give you a tip. Make this smoothie. You need to make this smoothie. It's the best smoothie ever. It's so stinking good. He was literally trying to make him prove his identity. And we don't need to prove it. It's really good. If you haven't got it yet, CambriaJoy.com/book. Fashion Island one. There's a signed copy. They're gonna put a sticker on it that says autograph.
Yeah, you got a point. I probably should've warned you, but now I think I'm staying.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Tell me, what was it you're saying? She said her favorite color yellow.
Literally where I grew up. This is where I grew up, babe.
Right down that road.
Right down there. We're gonna go get some acai bowls.
Give me some skin.
Acai bowl time.
Can do summertime crush.
My very unappealing acai bowl. Yours looks way better than mine. First taste, it doesn't look very good. It's really good. Whoa. Yeah, I don't really like the granola. I get it without granola, without the almonds too. I don't like that on mine.
Your battery's gonna die, so
What?
yeah, it's low.
I'm sad that they're not hanging out for longer. Let's go plug you in.
Perfect.
So you want it 100, I'ma keep it on 100. So you want it 100, I'm keeping it 100. Ooh, I know you could do this on your own. Girl, you got it, yeah.
Get it.
Okay, let me try.
So good. Told you. I took one sip.
Filtered soul. Mine's the mint mojito.
Oh.
That's so good.
Good stuff.
This is so good. It's unbelievable. It's so good.
I want to get another one before we leave.
I know. We just go back through the line. My home turf.
I love walking this beach with my baby. Her hometown, stomping grounds. I've
You're
had
so
good memories,
cute.
best memories with you on this little beach right here.
Aww.
When you used to watch me surf
I know.
for hours. Remember that guy that quoted the verse?
Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the coolest story ever. You ready? So I had just memorized that verse that says, the grass withers and the flower fades, but the word of our God stands forever. And I was sitting right there. Literally right there.
Surf.
It was like 6 in the morning. It was super early. Bo was surfing. And this man walked by me and pointed at me and said, the grass withers and the flower fades. And then I looked at him and I was like, but the word of our God stands forever. And I finished the verse and it was like the coolest moment ever. And I was like, did that just happen? Like, was that not the coolest thing ever? Okay, I should have said, because he saw me reading my Bible. Because I had my Bible open on my lap in the sand and the guy saw me and he like pointed at me. How awkward would that have been though if I didn't know the verse? If I looked at him and he's like, the grass withers and the flower fades, and I had never heard that verse before and I'm like, I don't know. Anyway, good memories.
Something's gonna change.
Okay, get it.
Oh, yummerific.
Take it, eat it. Oh.
Thank you.
Is it brutal?
That is phenomenal. Our waitress was so nice. She gave this to us because she's so nice. Because she overheard me saying it looked good. People are nice. Okay, let's eat this thing. Bo, you're gonna die.
I am.
Okay, try it right now.
Is that too excessive?
Okay, go for it, babe. I know. Look at my hair. Good morning.
Look, cutie pie.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground.
Let me see your purse. Yeah.
I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating.
We got the goods. They made it better at the other location. Swap.
Oh, yeah, yours is watery.
This one's bomb. Thank you. I'm just kidding. I need new workout shoes.
Get it.
Call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
Beach speckle. I feel like that sounds like me.
I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. You're the I'll never forget.
What you got in that bag,
Okay,
girl?
first we do salads, then we do donuts. Oh, it's warm. Babe, you gotta try a bite.
Try
It's
the
a
bite.
Thin Mint. That's bomb. They were so nice. They gave us 2 free donuts. Like a cart. Not these. In the future. Everyone waits to enjoy their life for like when they get there, when they arrive, when they reach their goals or whatever. But it's like, that's not, it's just about balance today. That's what it's all about. It's about like living in freedom today. Not like when you've arrived. There's no such thing as arriving. You know what I mean? Eat the salad and eat the donut. That's my favorite flavor when they do gluten-free. It's bomb.
You just gotta come down here and get one for yourself. It's really good. Look at that. Really nice people in there.
I don't really get to pick. It's whatever gluten-free. But Sidecar is the best. Time to go to Trader Joe's.
Let's get to it.
My little babies. We found Growing Strong in another Barnes & Noble. We're at the Barnes & Noble at the Grove, so I'm gonna sign all of these right now.
You are so afraid.
Cool. We got the signed edition sticker.
Thought that I could describe such a lonely.
Here we go. Right next to Cole and Savannah.
Now there's all the space, nothing can replace. Letting go of you.
1-minute interview.
Growing Strong, Cambria Joy. We have signed copies today at Barnes & Noble at the Grove. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you so much for having me.
I need affection. Doesn't matter what you say. 'Cause now that I don't have it, I only miss it every day. I need affection. Doesn't matter.
Oh, from Editing Cambria and my fabulous bun. Wanted to just say that I honestly love you so much, and I really hope that this video refreshed you and just made you feel good. You know what I mean? If it did, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, I'm gonna link every single thing in the description box for you. Inner Strength, the workout program I made for you, the book, every single thing, everything I do is to help you and support you. So I love you. Ding the post notification bell, subscribe if you're not subscribed so that I can see you in the next video, because the next video is gonna be really good. It's all about grocery shopping. So you're coming with me. It's gonna be so fun. So I love you guys so much. Check the description box for all of your needs and wants, and I will see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.
Now there's all the space, nothing can replace. Letting go of you was my one mistake. Counting every day, no, I'm not okay. I just